Hi, what are you eating for lunch today?
Hello, I am eating a chicken sandwich.
That looks like a very healthy lunch.
Yes, it has lots of green lettuce and tomatoes.
What are you drinking with your sandwich?
I'm drinking a bottle of cold water.
I brought a box of sushi for my lunch.
Sushi is one of my favorite foods.
Do you really like Japanese food?
Yes, I love eating fresh fish and rice.
Sushi is always very light and healthy.
Exactly. It never makes my stomach feel heavy.
Do you like eating sushi with soy sauce?
Yes, soy sauce makes it taste perfectly salty.
I also use a little bit of spicy wasabi.
Wasabi is too spicy for my nose.
It definitely wakes you up in the middle of the day.
What is your absolute favorite food?
My absolute favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is a classic choice.
I could eat pizza every single day.
What kind of pizza do you like the most?
I love a simple margarita pizza.
Just tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and basil?
Yes, the simple flavors are always the best.
I prefer a pizza with a lot of meat on it.
Like sausage, bacon, and pepperoni?
Yes, a meat lover's pizza is my dream dinner.
Do you like a thick crust or a thin crust?
I prefer a very thin and crispy crust.
Me too. A thick crust is just too much bread.
Do you ever put pineapple on your pizza?
No, pineapple on pizza is a terrible idea.
I actually think it tastes sweet and delicious.
We will have to disagree on that one.
Do you like any other Italian food?
Yes, I really love eating pasta.
Spaghetti with meatballs is very famous.
I prefer creamy pasta, like fettuccine alfredo.
That sounds very rich and buttery.
It is, so I only eat it on special days.
What is your favorite fast food?
I think my favorite fast food is a cheeseburger.
Do you buy it from a famous restaurant?
Yes, I usually go to the drive-thru on weekends.
A juicy burger with melted cheese is so good.
And I always order a large box of French fries.
French fries must be hot, salty, and crispy.
Exactly. Cold French fries are very sad to eat.
Do you dip your fries in ketchup?
Yes, ketchup is the best sauce for potatoes.
I like to dip my fries in mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise? That is a very European habit.
Yes, I tried it in Belgium and loved it.
I will have to try that next time.
What kind of food do you cook at home?
I cook a lot of Mexican food at home.
Do you make tacos or burritos?
I usually make chicken tacos on Tuesdays.
Taco Tuesday is a fun weekly tradition.
Yes, I put avocado, cheese, and salsa on top.
I love spicy salsa with corn chips.
Mexican food has so many bright colors and flavors.
Do you ever cook traditional food from your country?
Yes, I cook my mother's recipes sometimes.
What is your favorite meal that your mother cooks?
My mother makes the best roast chicken in the world.
What makes her roast chicken so special?
She puts lemon, garlic, and butter under the skin.
That sounds absolutely mouth-watering.
Yes, the house smells amazing when she cooks it.
Mothers always know the secret to good food.
Food cooked with love always tastes better.
I completely agree. My mother makes great soup.
What kind of soup does she make?
She makes a hot noodle soup when it is cold outside.
Soup is very comforting in the winter.
It is like a warm blanket for your stomach.
Do you like eating spicy food?
I like a little bit of spice, but not too much.
I love very spicy Indian curries.
Indian food is very flavorful and rich.
Yes, the spices make the food smell incredible.
Do you eat curry with rice or bread?
I eat it with warm garlic naan bread.
Naan bread is so soft and chewy.
I use the bread to clean the sauce off the plate.
That is the best part of eating Indian food.
I also really enjoy eating Thai food.
Pad Thai noodles are very sweet and sour.
Yes, the peanuts on top give it a nice crunch.
I like Thai green curry with coconut milk.
The coconut milk makes the spicy curry very smooth.
Are there any foods that you completely hate?
I really cannot eat mushrooms.
Why do you hate mushrooms? They're very healthy.
I hate the texture. They feel like rubber in my mouth.
I love frying mushrooms with garlic and butter.
I will give all my mushrooms to you.
Deal. What about you? Do you hate any food?
I cannot stand the taste of raw onions.
Raw onions are very sharp and strong.
Yes, they ruin the taste of a good sandwich.
I only eat onions if they are cooked and soft.
Cooked onions are sweet, so they're okay.
Do you eat a lot of fresh fruit?
Yes, fruit is my favorite kind of snack.
What is your favorite fruit in the summer?
I love eating cold watermelon on a hot day.
Watermelon is very refreshing and full of water.
It's like drinking a sweet, crunchy drink.
My favorite fruit is the mango.
Mangoes are so sweet and tropical.
They are very messy to eat, but so delicious.
Do you like eating sour fruits?
Sometimes I enjoy eating a green apple.
Green apples are very sour but very crisp.
I like to dip apple slices in peanut butter.
Peanut butter and apples is a great combination.
Let's talk about the best part of a meal.
You mean the dessert?
Yes, of course. I have a huge sweet tooth.
Me too. I always save room for dessert.
What is your favorite dessert of all time?
My favorite dessert is warm chocolate brownie with ice cream.
That is a very rich and heavy dessert.
The hot chocolate and cold vanilla ice cream is perfect.
I prefer a slice of fruit pie.
Do you like apple pie or cherry pie?
I love homemade apple pie with cinnamon.
Do you eat it hot or cold?
It must be served hot from the oven.
Do you like eating ice cream in the summer?
Yes, I love going to the ice cream shop.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite flavor is mint chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip is very cool and refreshing.
The little chocolate chips add a nice crunch.
I always choose strawberry or raspberry ice cream.
Fruit flavors are very light after a big dinner.
Do you ever bake cookies at home?
Yes, baking cookies makes the house smell wonderful.
Do you bake chocolate chip cookies?
Yes, they are very easy and fast to make.
I like to eat them while they're still warm.
The melted chocolate is the best part.
Do you drink milk with your cookies?
A cold glass of milk is required with cookies.
I think we are talking too much about food.
Why? I love talking about food.
Because it's making me very hungry again.
But you just finished your whole box of sushi.
I know, but now I want to eat a pizza and a brownie.
Your brain is tricking your stomach.
You're right. I should just drink some water.
Water will help you feel full.
Do you eat at restaurants very often?
I usually go to a restaurant once a week.
It's nice to let someone else do the cooking.
And someone else does the washing up, too.
What is your favorite type of restaurant?
I really enjoy going to Korean barbecue restaurants.
Oh, where you cook the meat on the table yourself?
Yes, it's a very fun and social way to eat.
And they give you so many small side dishes.
The spicy kimchi is my favorite side dish.
I also love going to breakfast diners.
Eating a big breakfast on a Sunday morning is great.
Yes, a tall stack of pancakes with maple syrup.
And a bottomless cup of hot coffee.
We should go out for breakfast this weekend.
That sounds like a fantastic idea.
There is a new diner near the train station.
Do they serve good pancakes?
I read the reviews online and they are excellent.
Perfect. Let's meet there on Sunday morning at 10.
I will invite my sister to come with us.
The more people, the better the conversation.
We can share a large plate of bacon, too.
Now you are really making me hungry.
It is time to go back to work anyway.
Yes, lunch break is officially over.
Thank you for the great conversation about food.
You are very welcome.
I will dream about pizza for the rest of the day.
And I will dream about my Sunday pancakes.
See you on Sunday morning.
Have a good afternoon at work.
You too. Bye.